Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, October 11th, 2010 am. The spirit of Sahaj Marg will live on, no matter what happens. There is nothing to worry about it. Do not let yourself be impressed by the political system in this country. What is good always ends up prevailing. ADs are useful. They sweep away what is undesirable. Our way is supported by the higher authorities and it will carry on its way, in spite of the madness of men. Take refuge in this inner space where all is beauty. Leave aside the world which surrounds you. You realizing how it is will not change it. Contribute to making it advance by doing an increasingly refined work on yourself. A luminous day is rising in your heart. Let it open out completely to the divine presence. You should become more and more conscious of this unique gift being given to the man of goodwill. His omnipresence in him is the most precious good he can have. He cannot sense it easily. He must search for it and deserve it. Your fellow men often lose sight of this objective and let themselves be won over by the false attractions of this world. It is not easy to resist the temptation of an effortless life and its deceptive appearances. Letting oneself be carried away by these kinds of human inclinations only brings disturbances and feelings of frustration. If such is your case, it is time to react by opening your eyes on the realities of life. Babuji. Thursday, October 12th, 2010 am. The human beings often ventures on tortuous paths before taking the right direction. This is man's characteristic. He must find his way after multiple experiments, sometimes painful. That's how his personality is shaped, which leads him to seeking a truth that starts to be obvious to him. He feels this lack, which a life centered on materialism provides him. His deepest being is in need. It aspires to fill this gap by a process and knowledge which can satisfy him. This is when he will start a search that will be able to bring him to the highest level if his aspiration is strong enough. Each one receives what they are able to receive. A sincere and constant call must be made so that it can be heard. Then the way will be cleared before him and will be adapted to his level of evolution. He will perhaps come towards us. Do you realize how lucky he is? Is it not a grace to be a non-constraining way, which makes you advance without requiring big efforts? There is no limit to what you can hope for if you carry out your work heartily. We do everything possible to meet your expectations. We can see the heart of your hearts and they receive according to their inner state. In 5 p.m. in meditation, it is necessary to answer evil with love. Sahaj Marg enters a new era whose effects will not be felt immediately. Its strength will manifest itself more and more in the future. Babuji.